Double-sided cap units have a 90-degree angle side and an offset angle side. The two different angles provide 4 ways of applying caps to a radius, since there's no specific top or bottom. This reduces cutting dramatically. To cap the wall, place units next to each other, using the appropriate edge to obtain the desired curve. Make sure the reveal or overhang remains consistent. To make adjustments, place a cap slightly less than 1 full unit away from the previous cap. Place another cap unit on top, spanning the gap. Use a pencil to mark the cap for cutting. Saw along the marks. The resulting cap unit will fill the gap and maintain the reveal. Glue all caps to keep them in place.